Hi, here Roland from Dare to be Different Outdoor from the Netherlands. We are the developers of rooftop tents and also chuck boxes. We developed an S chuck box, an M chuck box and an XL chuck box. I'm gonna explain now the S chuck box, show you what's in it and also build it up and break it down. Okay, let's start. We unlock the 4 latches, remove the cover, place it on top. Then we're gonna unfold one table. Please be assured to secure the locking device. Here, the other one also, and at the back also the table. Then we have one drawer. In the drawer are all cutlery for 4 persons, so 4 plates, 4 forks, 4 spoons, 4 knives, but also other accessories to make your dinner. In the middle there is the tabletop. This is also the windshield for the burners. The cutting board is on top of the burners. You close the lid, grab the burners. There's 2 of them. They are connected with the gas hose. I will grab that. It's in this white box. It's an Ypsilon hose, so you can connect the 2 burners to one gas cartridge. In the box are also the 4 cups included. So on top of the box was the wash basin, so for doing the dishes. Then here are the pots and pans. There are in total 3 pans and a water boiler inside. One water boiler. And what is also inside is the frying pan. Not for a big steak, but could fit. This is what I wanted to show you about the Chuckbox S, and now I'm going to show you how easy it is to pack it again. So this was the video of the S chuck box. We have 2 other videos, an M chuck box video and an XL chuck box video, where we completely explain those. Please continue watching our channel.